How to export chats in DeepSeek. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your chats from your DeepSeek account. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to any browser or your Google Chrome and then open up your DeepSeek account and then go to your profile on the bottom left. Now go to settings and then go to data. There you can see export option, just tap on it. And then this data includes your account information and all chat history and it will be you can see download option and then you can just tap on download. So that's it. You can see the exported on date and expires on the 2026 January 4. So make sure that you keep the expiry date on mind. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.